Hi guys, welcome to Module 2. This module will be talking about factoring trinomials. Okay, we're taking it a step up. What you're going to do first step is I like to go ahead and put your parentheses and put the variable in the front of each parenthesis. The second step is calling an X puzzle, is what I call an X puzzle. At the top part of the X puzzle, you're going to put this number, whatever it is, this constant right here. And at the bottom, you're going to put the middle term, which is, this case is 5x. Now, the key here is finding factors that make 6 when you multiply, but add to make 5. Oops, sorry, I didn't have to put x there. Okay, so let's talk about it. We have 6. Okay, so I'm going to write a little note here. Please make sure you're writing notes while you are watching this or after you watch this. So what I wrote here is multiply and add, just so you can remember. So let's talk about factors of 6. Negative 6 times negative 1 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Let's see, 3, hold on, I got to write backwards, it's hard. 3 times 2 is 6. Now, which one of these can we add together to make 5? Well, negative 6 plus negative 1 is negative 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 3 plus 2, that solves the X puzzle. You take whatever these numbers are here and you put here, they're both positive. So we're going to put plus 3 plus 2. And it's simple. That trinomial is factored. That's your answer. Now, it's a little bit more difficult here when you have a leading coefficient. So I'm going to do a quick way, show you how to do it. You're going to take the first term, multiply it by the last term first. That's going to be 2x squared times negative 3, which is negative 6x squared. Now you make the X puzzle, okay? But for the term at the top, you're going to put the negative x squared, okay? That's going to go at the top. The middle term is still, the bottom term is still going to be, again, the one that's in the middle, the negative 5x, okay? All right, now we're going to do the same thing we did on the first one, is we're going to find factors of negative 6x squared that when we add together will make negative 5x squared, okay? So we're going to make our little factor tree and then just let's talk about factors. You know, 3 times negative 2 makes negative 6. Negative 3 times positive 2 makes negative 6. Negative 6 times 1 makes negative 6 when you multiply it. And 6 times negative 1. Now, let's see which one of these we can add together. If you add 3 plus negative 2, that's 1. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Negative 6 plus 1, negative 5. Haha, there it is. That makes it. Negative 6 and 1. Now, you're going to take these. You solve the X puzzle. We're going to come down. We're going to bring this down. Okay, you watching? 2x squared here. Then you're going to take your terms that you just found. We found negative 6, and we found 1. We're going to put them here. Now, don't forget, you're going to have to add x to it. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's do plus 1. Let me see, plus 1x. And then minus 6x. And then this 3 right here, you're going to bring down here. Make sure you bring down the correct operation. Okay, now what we're going to do is group. So you're going to group the first 2 together and the last 2 together. Okay, you're going to look at the first 2. What do they both have in common? Well, they both have in common an x. So we're going to take an x out. Okay, when you take the x out, you're left with 2x plus 1. Okay, this one, what do they have in common? They both have a 3 in common. So we're going to take a 3 out. Now, that's a negative sign, so we take that 3 out, put your parenthesis up, you're going to be left with 2x plus 1. Now, if you notice, these two are exactly alike, and that's what your goal is. If you got that, you know you're on the right path. Take what's left, the x minus 3, make a parenthesis, and put that in it. And then take the last one, the 2x plus 1, and bring it down. This is your answer. So guys, try your hardest, do your best. And if you need me, please email me or call me. Talk to you later. Bye.